welcome back to my YouTube channel. And it's me again. If you're new to my channel, my name is Danya. And if you haven't subscribed yet, so please subscribe now and click the notification bell button to get you updated. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I am not here just to brag my new Airpods Pro, but I am here and you are also here to witness if this product is worth it. So, let's open it. If you might be wondering, there is no cover or plastic because I already removed it. Because earlier, I shot the video and it was epic, that's why. Because my phone is not updated to the latest version, or not updated to the latest software. So I'll show you first what's in here. A logo of an Airpods Pro, and it says here Airpods Pro with wireless charging case and an Apple logo, and here is compatible with iOS device, iPod, Apple Watch, or Mac with the latest software. So, let's open it. It has the manual, and here is the Airpods, and it has a air tips. It has medium and large air tips, and this is the Type-C charger. The Type-C charger. Let's test this Airpods, or let's pair this to my phone. Let's go.
A few moments later.
So, let's pair the Airpods Pro and my iPhone XS Max. So, let's open it. And it's already pairing. I will wear it. So, this is the noise cancellation. So what can I say about this is I cannot hear anything. I cannot hear the sound of my aircon, but I can hear myself. So, when I go to transparency mode, I can hear the aircon and I can clearly hear myself. So when I go to off, I cannot hear the aircon and I cannot hear myself. So, let's try first the noise cancellation with the music. This is so amazing.
Wow!
Yeah, it is really worth it. Really worth it. So, let's go to transparency mode. Yeah. It says here in the manual that if you will press once, it will play or pause. If you will press twice, it will press to skip forward. And if you will triple press it, it will skip back. And if you will press and hold, the active noise cancellation and transparency modes switch between. So, what can I say about this this AirPods Pro is really worth it. I can say that you should buy it. It's very much expensive, but if you are going to buy this one, you can really enjoy using it. Let's talk about the features of this product. So the features of this product is that it has a audio technology, active noise cancellation, transparency mode, adaptive EQ, vent system for pressure equalization, custom high exhaustion Apple driver, and it has a sensors, chip, controls, and it is sweat and water resistance. So if you will press the AirPod, if you will press it once, it will play or pause or answer a phone call. But if you will press it twice, it will skip or forward. If you will press thrice, it will skip back, and if you will press and hold, it will switch between active cancellation or transparency mode. So the height of this AirPods Pro is 30.9 mm, and the width is 21.8 mm, and the weight is 5.4. So the battery of AirPods Pro is up to 4.5 hours of listening time with a single charge, up to 5 hours with active noise cancellation and transparency off. So up to 3.5 hours to talk time with a single charge. So you can pair this AirPods Pro with an Apple device. You cannot pair this with an Android or other devices. So that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and click the notification bell button to get you notified. Thanks for watching!